Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13C, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to select Messages app and tap on one of your chats. Then select this icon of a camera and the photo located at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos right away, or select Gallery and pick them from here. When you're ready, select Add at the top right corner. You can also tap on Gallery, but this time select Folders at the top left corner. Look for your photo over here and click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!